Dwayne Bussey with Bolt Marketing, our guest today. Dwayne, let's talk about input costs as we start to, I don't know, we're not past 2021, but we're obviously starting to look forward into next year. And that seems to be one of these red flags out there, given where we see fertilizer prices and concerns about supply chain. What's on your radar for that?
Well, the fertilizer price is what's definitely on my radar. Yeah, that cost is doubling for a lot of producers in my area of Northeast South Dakota compared to last year. So it's definitely concerning, and I think it probably should be for the market as well. Now, with these high prices, we can still lock in profitable margins. If you are out there booking some of that high-priced fertilizer, you probably better sell some of that new crop corn too. We took a little different approach actually on my farm. We decided not to book the fertilizer and cross our fingers that it'll be available and cheaper in the spring, but we're planning on going a little bit heavier soybeans next year. And somebody that took that risk like we did, if fertilizer prices continue to soar or availability is tough, I think you'll see an increase in soybean acres next year and a slight decrease in corn.
And we talk about adding more bean acres in there. It feels like corn, if they want to maintain or at least keep with the acreage they had this year, they're going to have to buy them. That price is going to have to come up.
I think you're right. It's actually really fun because wheat, the supply keeps dipping lower, right? And so I think wheat will actually buy some acres, and the price it is will buy acres. Soybeans are up where they're at. Corn has to buy acres as well. And then, cotton. I don't talk much cotton up in Northeast South Dakota, but I can look at a chart and see that that's high price and think, well, that needs acres too. So we're finally going to have a bit of an acreage battle again. And yeah, the early surveys came out with, corn acres the same or slightly higher than this year. I don't think so. I think the acres are going to be a little lower.
All right, well, it'll be definitely something to watch. Dwayne, thank you so much for being here on Ag Day. We're going to take a check of weather and then we'll be right back.
For marketing advice, call Bolt Marketing, a futures and options brokerage firm.